I hope it is live. Still not live. Okay. Hi everyone. Can you all see me? That's great. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Unacademy YouTube sessions where we are solving all the previous year questions 2020 Commerce Shift 1 and Shift 2. Is the audio video clear or not clear? Clear hai? Okay. Yes. Great. Hi Koptik. Yes, you're the first one. Hello. Hi. After so long time live with you. Yes. Koptik, where are you? We are meeting for the fourth time on in this day, and on plus class and special class, and now on YouTube class also. Hello Ritu, hi Anamika, Shivangi, Sony, महिमा मैम अपनी YouTube पे टैक्स या फाइनेंस नो टैक्स और फाइनेंस के previous year questions I have solved on Unacademy special classes, that is free classes that you can directly go on my profile on Unacademy. The link is given on the comment section. So kindly go on my profile. You can search special classes commerce and you will be able to see all those things. And some free classes I've taken, like 1 or 2 free classes I've taken in special classes on Unacademy. All clear. Great, Haripriya. Hi, Tisha. Yeah, okay. Seems like you're tired. Yes, obviously. A little bit. A little bit. Shivani, Koptik, Mona, paper hoga finalize. Dates पे या नहीं I don't know. Just before entering the class also I was watching कि is admit card released, but till now it is not released. Let's hope for tomorrow. Hi Rashmi, already watched. Great. Okay, your subscription ended. So Koptik, you can join. Acha, okay. Namaskar, Mr. Arun. Welcome back. Okay, so let's get started. My name is Niharika Bhagtani and I've qualified JRF in Commerce. And those who have not followed me on Unacademy, kindly follow me on Unacademy. The link is given in the comment section. It is pinned in the comment section and it is also given in the description of this video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe to this channel where many educators are teaching so amazing all the subjects they are teaching for your benefit on free lessons. Like they're taking free lessons on YouTube on this channel. Okay, so you can study all your paper 1 as well as paper 2 on YouTube also, on Unacademy platform also. On Unacademy, this is my profile. Okay, I teach paper 1 and paper 2 both completely. And on Unacademy, right now we have already started paper 1 batch course, that is Ignite batch on paper 1. And then complete course on commerce, or you can see computer science, sociology, electronic science, and history, psychology, management, English, where we will be taking paper 1. I will be taking paper 1 in these courses, and your respective educators, as they are given in the pictures, they will be taking, and the name is also given, so they will be taking your paper 2. So these batches have been already started. If you haven't joined Unacademy Plus yet, you can join Unacademy Plus by using my referral code Niharika Live, and you will get 10% discount also, right? And there are free live lessons on Unacademy. Today also we have taken 6:30 p.m. class, NTA level test on teaching aptitude. Tomorrow again we will be having a free class, that is 6:30 p.m. NTA level mock test of research aptitude. To attend this class, what you have to do, just come on Unacademy and come on my profile, click on the special class, and you can see all these classes that will be upcoming. If you are new learner, you can put this code, that is Niharika Live, to unlock the class, unlock the free class. Okay, let's get started. Okay, business environment. How many questions we have done? I think business environment we have already completed. Right, we have already completed. We were on accountancy. Right. So your accountancy question number, this question was done. Sunk cost wala question was done. Right. Okay, let's see. Thank you, Prachi. Okay. Then BJ. What is that? BJ, what is that? Hi, Rowdy. Hi, Shivangi. Okay, this question also we have done. We have to start from this question, question 24. That is, you have to match the following. Short name for अच्छा Bharti Juneja. Is it? Okay. Okay. ठीक है. Please solve this. Wait. Please solve this. Question 24. We have to start from here. Answer is? Yes. I got to know. Answer is A. Okay. Bharti, Shivani, Anamika, Rowdy, Koptik, Haripriya, Twinkle, Mona. Slide not clear. Okay. Rowdy, please go on the top right side of the slides. Okay. And click on those three dots. And then click on the quality option and make it auto 480p. It will be clear. ठीक है? Okay. अच्छा. So answer is A, right? Okay. Yes. वैसे A in that, do you remember all the options? Like, do you remember inability to pay debt that is related to interest coverage ratio? What is acha, interest coverage ratio? What is the formula? Can I say EB EBITDA? That is earning before interest, depreciation, and taxation and amortization. Okay, divided by interest expense. Right. Now, what about liquidity crisis? This is current ratio. Current ratio that you all know, that is current assets upon current liabilities. Inefficient collection of the receivables, that is debtor turnover ratio. What is debtor turnover ratio formula? Do you remember? Okay, do you remember that is net credit sales divided by average account receivables. Okay, now next is what? Returns of shareholders funds being much higher than the overall return on investment. That will be debt equity ratio, that is debt upon equity. That's it. Right? Okay, those who do not remember, please write it down. Please try to recall. This whole theory is given for you only. Now question 25. Acha, all the previous questions we have already solved on Saturday on YouTube only. Right? Now, sequence of the following activities in the process of standard costing. What do you think? What is the sequence? I can help you out with the first one. That is, first one will be establishing standard cost. Establishing standard cost. It will be the first one. So those who have entered now, please click on the like button of this video. Option A, again, right, ma'am, thank you for this hint. This was already given. Then option B will come next. That also we know. What is new? Please tell what is new. Nothing is new. Okay, we know first we will establish standard cost, then we'll see actual cost, then we'll compare the standard and the actual. Okay, then acha, so we have compared here, here, compared. After that, we will identify whether it is see, we have compared, so we have identified whether it is favorable or unfavorable, right? And after that, we will dispose the variance to cost and profit centers, that whether it is cost or it is profit. Okay, next, so this, like, we will plan accordingly. Now, process costing is appropriate for which of the following firms? For which of the following firms? One. There's just one. Acha, I think you already know. Yes, there's just one firm. Process costing where step-by-step process is there. So oil refining firm, D, D. Okay, great. Now, where one by one steps will be there. Now, which of the following are related to vouching of sales? Vouching of sales. Only sales. I'm just asking about vouching of sales only. Question 27. No. It is not D. It is okay. And let me see. I cannot see all the comments. Okay, now I can see. Twinkle, Rowdy, Haripriya has given correct answer. It is option C, definitely, because when sales, it is given sales. So sales related sales book will be there. And so sales related sales book will be there, as well as dispatch of goods will be there. Right, dispatch of goods, which will notify what? Sales. Now, when current ratio is 2:1, and if equal increase in the current asset and current liability would result in what? Itisha, you are talking about question number 28 or question number 27? Which one are you asking? 27. 27, it will be C only. B and C will not be there. Direct notes will be related to your returns, na? जबकि goods dispatch होगा तो it will indicate कि हाँ goods are going, so sales, bye. Okay, for this one, equal increase. Acha, so answer is definitely option C. How come? See, current asset upon current liability, they are given in 2:1. What should I write? Let's take 50,000 here and let's take 25,000 here. If we increase them equally, take a 50 upon 25, 2:1, justified. Now if we increase them equally, like suppose 50,000 I've added and 50,000 I've added. So what is the ultimate number we are getting? We are getting 1 lakh divided by 75k. That means 1 divided by 0.75. Is it coming 2:1 or it is coming less than 2:1? It is coming less than 2:1, right? So there will be a decrease in current ratio. Like here, if this numerator would have been 1.5, then ye 2:1 hota, but it is less than 1.5, so it is decrease in current ratio. Okay. Ritu, this one na, question 28. Now did you get that? I think there is mismatch in our audio and video. Yes, done. Great. Ma'am, A also possible. Which one you are saying? No change in current ratio. No, that is not possible. Try to do that. In any situation, the current ratio will reduce. If it was 2:1, if equal amount is increased, try taking some other number, like take 10,000 and 10,000, then also it will reduce. The ratio will reduce. Now this one, equilibrium price of a commodity is that price at which the quantity demanded of a commodity equals to the quantity supplied. Okay, now equilibrium is the condition once determined tends to persist in time. What do you think? Okay, explain 29. Yes, both are right. Okay, both are right, given right. Okay, see, here, see, what is equilibrium? Here, one commodity, see, suppose there are two commodity, okay, and yeah, you have done two commodity case, you have also done one commodity case. Or even if you take one commodity, then you might have seen that this point is the equilibrium point. Okay, it is that price. It is the price at which the quantity demanded of a commodity equal to quantity supplied. That means where demand will be equal to supply, right? So whatever is the market demand, only utna hi it is supplied by the market, right? So demand equal to supply, that is equilibrium. And जब जब ये determine हो जाती है, whenever it is determined, so it will be there, right, over a period of time. Okay, so this is also given correct कि yeah, on that period of time, so it will be there. After that, it will change. ठीक है? Getting it? Yes, due to market forces or due to, you can say, the conditions prevailing there. Getting it? Yes or no? Sony has written something I cannot read. Clear? Okay. See, here also it is written now, price, demand. See, demand and supply, they both are matching. So this is creating that equilibrium. Okay. And it will, see, once it is attained, it will persist indefinitely. There is no change, no changes observed over time. For that particular period of time, it will be, you can say, it will persist. Like you can say, किसी भी चीज की जब डिमांड होती है मार्केट में और उतनी ही सप्लाई होती है और वो कंटिन्यू रहती है, सो दैट विल क्रिएट व्हाट इक्विलिब्रियम. ठीक है. नाउ which of the following, like medicine, you can consider. Now, which of the following is sufficient to determine shutdown point of a multi-commodity firm in the short run? Multi-commodity. I'm talking about multi-commodity. Answer is B. Right. Acha, if it is multi-commodity, then we will consider what? We will consider all the commodities and commodity A, B, C, D, and we will take what? Average, right? Average. And if it is just one commodity, then what we will take? We will take the marginal, right? This concept we have done in our plus classes also. That is for one product. The shutdown point occurs when the marginal revenue drops below the marginal variable cost. That is MR is less than MC. And for multi-product firm, the marginal revenue, for multi-product firm, the average revenue drops below the average cost. At that time, there is a shutdown point, right? Now, suppose a customer who purchases only two goods is making a utility. maximizing the choice, and then the price of one good of the good decreases, what will happen? Two things will happen, na? Which two things will happen? If 31C or 31B, what do you think? 31B or C? Haripriya correct. Anamika correct. Mona correct. Very good. Okay. Okay. Can money income change? Can money change? Can money change? Nona, can income change? No, it is just the preference which is changing. See, making a maximum utility, maximizing choice, and then the price of the good decreases. So, what will happen? The purchasing power will increase. If the price of the product is decreasing, the purchasing power will increase, and the total utility, that is the total satisfaction for consuming that product, वो satisfaction level will also increase for that product. Okay, जबकि हमारी income पे कोई effect नहीं होगा. There will be no change on the income. Okay, income will remain same. That's why option A and B is the correct answer. Okay, now next one. It is in a monopolistically competitive market, which one of the following hold true? Which one of the following hold true? (32) D. Okay. Yeah, C. Yeah, B. Yeah, A. What do you think? No, 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 no. No, no, no. In a monopolistically competitive market, which one hold true? Think again, think again, think again. Okay. It is not D. I'm telling you, it is not D. Okay. Everybody is saying their own answers. Okay. See. The answer is D or C or B. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. It is D. Right. Okay. No, no, no. It is D. See, in a monopolistically, okay, my mistake, my mistake. I was thinking, yes, C is definitely right. So this time, okay, so this time I thought, okay, C is definitely right. So definitely C should be answer, but no, 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 no. 4 options are given, so D is the correct answer. गुमराह कर दिए, अरे हम खुद गुमराह हो गए. I was actually thinking, for a second I was thinking कि काश मैं जल्दी PYQ 2021 YouTube पे solve करवा पाऊँ आप लोग को. 3 times change किया. Yes, मैंने देखा. I saw that. BJ, I saw. You're right, but you're wrong. Yes. Right. Okay. So D is the correct answer. That is a firm. The firms are कोई बात नहीं, गलती से mistake हो जाती है. Right. Firms are small relatively to the total market, and there is easy entry and exit in the market. Monopolistically as well as किसमें और किसमें होती है? Perfect competition में होती है. Yes, perfect competition also has easy entry and exit, whereas monopoly as well as oligopoly does not have easy entry and exit. Please remember, monopoly is different from monopolistic. This is monopolistic, where there are large number of buyers as well as sellers. Right? Okay. Now, ma'am, this is which shift? This is shift number 2, Iram. Shift 1 we have already solved on YouTube. And shift number 2 Mate, this is the second class we are solving. You remain in D. Yes, Kalanda. Great, great. काश हमें अटेंड करने की जरूरत ना पड़े तो 2021 के पीवाई क्यों नहीं आपको सी अनामिका एक बार पेपर एंड एक बार अगर हम पास भी हो जाते हैं ना अनामिका like when I cleared my exam still I saw those classes कि yes for my knowledge only कि क्या है explanation what is the correct answer वो कहाँ एक क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग हो गया था वो कहाँ एक क्वेश्चन सही जा सकता था just for just for understanding purpose that way मैं तो चाहती हूँ आप सब बस क्लियर हो जाएं you all should clear but still भूल जाएंगे क्या आप सब नहीं ना we will meet 1 or 2 times so we will meet after exam also now when consumers seek acha what is your answer for this one snob Veblen great will attend great hmm. Hmm. See, consumers seek for different and exclusive by demanding less of a commodity as more of the people consumes it. What we have done, share chal, right? Not bher chal, share chal. That is snob effect. If more people are using it, why should we use it? We should not use that. Ma'am, last question ka. Of course, that is option B. Yes, Ritu. Okay. Next question. Let's see. Which one of the following is a hold true to successfully practice discrimination? Of course, Unacademy app should be there. Like Bharti, after clearing your exam, I believe कि Unacademy app should be there. आपका alarm clock is there, notes is there, so many games are there. So games का क्या करोगे? वो सब हटाओ. Some knowledgeable thing. Even after clearing your exam, you can study for something else for free to get some knowledge, or maybe you get some subscription for any subject, anything that you feel right. There are so many classes on Unacademy. Okay, for this one, A and B confusion. Okay. Hello, Sumuk. Question, Ma'am, Ritu is asking for question 33. Okay, 33 you are asking. 33, let me just go for that. 33 question does not exist because I'll tell you. You will get to know in a minute why it does not exist. Okay. Practice price discrimination. पहले इसका आंसर दो पक्का I'll answer you. अच्छा this one 32. ओहो 32 का आंसर D है. Why D? Because answer is A and C only. That is firms are small relative to the total market and there is easy entry and exit in the market. Option B, no firm has market power. नहीं वैसे there are large number of buyers and sellers ना in monopolistic market. Yes. Wait. No firm has market power, but no firm has market power. No firm में तो that will be wrong because no firm has market power. That is the characteristics of perfect competition. right? Where it is just the price taker, purely the price taker. Any word, huh? Okay. And your price are, firms are small relative to the total market. Total market we are considering. We are not considering many number of buyers, many number of sellers here. We are considering total market. Uski comparison mein, yes, firms will be small. BCom, now I started my preparation, but I don't know from where to start. Please guide me. Okay, Sumukh, kindly give your BCom exam and first give your BCom exam. Till that, you can attend some of the free classes here on Unacademy. And as you enter in your Mcom, just take admission in Mcom, then you can start your preparation for NTA UGC NET. And if your paper 2 is commerce, if you're thinking to take commerce, right, BCom, that means commerce, then you can follow me. I'll teach all the 20 units. 20 units. Okay. Done? Done? Now, this one. Question 35. Question 35. No problem. See, 35, what's the answer? Answer is definitely again. Is it B again? Right. Rowdy, Shivanshi, Haripriya, and Anamika, Koptik, Prachi, Itisha, Sagar, Bharti. So answer is B definitely. How come? Dekho, which of the following hold true successful practice price discrimination? First is the firm must be a pure monopoly. That is not true. Okay, the firm must possess market power. Yes, price discrimination. Yes, in price discrimination, the firm must possess market power. So, Ritu, tell me one thing. In monopolistic market, do we have large number of buyers and sellers? Yes. Do we have homogeneous product or heterogeneous product? Hetero, yes. Do we have price discrimination? Yes. Okay. So if we have price discrimination, then we definitely have at least some market power. Right? Okay, so this is right, and it must be, so link it with that previous question. Now it must be difficult for the consumers in one market to sell to the consumers in another market. Definitely, if it is very easy, then it will create what? Arbitrage opportunity, and as soon as it creates an arbitrage opportunity, it again collapses very soon. Okay, so this sentence is also given right. Okay, and in pure monopoly, there is just single price. There is no here and there price. There is just single price. हमें pay करना है तो pay करना है. Like example, water. Okay, so water bill we have to pay. ऐसा नहीं है कि rich people will pay different water rates and poor people will pay different water rates. Right? Okay. Now, this one. See, actually 35 different question are there. वो 33 question इधर आ गया है. Ma'am, I'm about to give PhD entrance interview, and for that I need to prepare one research paper on commerce topic. Can you suggest? I'm so sorry, Iram. You have to select whichever is your, you can say whichever is your strongest topic, where you can give all sorts of answers and you have in-depth knowledge. At least out of 10, your strongest topic must be there, any one, or even even outside these 10 topics, these 10 units, there might be some of the strongest topic. Okay, anything which is your strong one. And Sumukh, Sumuk, have you taken any class on Unacademy yet? Any special class, any free class on Unacademy yet? HRM, then kindly prepare on HRM, because they may ask question or they may judge you on any context. Now, here, option B, okay, MR is equal to MC. Two conditions are there. First is MR is equal to MC, and then second condition is what? That is the MC curve should cut, see, the MC curve should cut MR curve from below. See, the MC curve cuts the MR curve from below. Here what is given? MR cuts MC from below. That's right. Oh, sorry, that's wrong. The slope of MC curve must be higher than the MR curve. That is never taught. TR minus TC. No, that just tells us the incremental revenue, not the profit maximization. Okay. Okay. In penetration pricing, a business, yes, AR is equal to MR equals to P in perfect competition only. This one, penetration, low, very good, nice. P for penetration, P for example, Patanjali, or you can say Geo also. They started from the low price, right? For a decline in price, total revenue increases if the demand is, see, if the price is decreasing, the total revenue is increasing. If the that means what? The elasticity of demand is what? Free ही दिया था वन. Yes. But उसके बाद तो they charge some price, right, Bharti? Okay. Sagar, which question you want me to explain? Question 36 or 37? Please tell me. 37 or 36? Very good. Answer is 1. 36. Okay. Abhi batate hain. I'll tell you right now. Okay, for this, it is elastic where there is inverse relationship between price and the total revenue. It will be elastic. How come? See, even if the price is decreasing by 5%, still the demand is increasing by 10%. So ultimately, effect will be increase by what? By 5 to 10% के बीच में, like you can say 5% approximately, approx, right? Because it will take the color of the demand because it is increasing more, right? So this will also increase. So here, when the demand is changing more than the price, that time you can see it is what? When the demand is changing more than the price, then it is what? The demand is elastic. Yes. Total. No. B नहीं होगा. And ma'am 37 how elastic? देखो. Inverse relationship I taught you. Flatter curve towards what? X-axis. याद आया Atisha? Whether it is total expenditure or total revenue, same. It will act same. That is price and total expenditure or total revenue. If they are going in the same direction, then it is inelastic. If they are going in different direction, then it is then it is elastic. याद आ गया? Okay. Ajay, you also got confused in this. आ गया याद? Okay. They didn't say about how much it is increase. See, here, calendar. It is definitely more increased. Why? Because मुझे एक बात बताओ, tell me one thing. अगर price is decreasing, total revenue is increasing. Price is decreasing, जब Acha, what is total revenue? Can I say price into quantity demand? Quantity demand. Wait, let me show you here. What is total revenue? Price into quantity demand, right? Or quantity supply, you can say. Okay. Now, if this, acha, we always have the inverse relationship between price and quantity demand. That means if it is written that price decrease ho rahi hai, price is reducing, that means quantity demand is increasing. अच्छा price reduce हो रही है, still total revenue increase हो रहा है. कैसे? How? See, it is increasing. How come? How come? वो इसलिए हो रहा है, it is happening just because the quantity demand is increasing more as compared to the price. Calendar. Is that clear? अगर मेरे पास एक चीज है 10 रुपीज की and उसकी डिमांड है 100, राइट? इफ ये प्राइस रिड्यूस हुआ बाय 10%, लाइक 9, सो यूजुअली इफ मैं इस चीज को कांस्टेंट रखूं, क्वांटिटी डिमांड को, इफ आई कीप इट कांस्टेंट, then the total revenue will reduce. Definitely it will also reduce, but still in this condition the total revenue is increasing. How come? Because this quantity demand is increasing so much that the total revenue is bound to increase. So when the quantity demand is increasing more as compared to price, at that time you can see a flatter curve where the price is not changing much, but the quantity demand is changing so much and the price is not shifting so much. The quantity demand is shifting so much, so it is an elastic curve. Yes, the TR will take the color from QD or QS. Is that clear? Okay. Okay. Now, Sagar, your question is कि penetration pricing of a business firm seeks to access deeper market penetration by keeping the prices low. How come? देखो, Patanjali products. What do you think? What was the key USP factor, unique selling point of Patanjali products in the market? How they grabbed so much of market initially, Sagar? Because when they entered the market, जब वो market में enter हुए, when they entered, they kept their prices very very low. So people got more and more attracted. This is known as penetration pricing strategy, where if any new product wants to enter into market, they have to lower down their prices so that they can cater to larger audience, okay, larger audience, and they can grab more and more and more share. Right? Getting it? Yes, Rowdy. Yes, Ritu. Okay. समझ आया क्या? Yes or no? Please tell me. अच्छा, पतंजलि मैगी भी आती है? I've heard this for the first time. Skimming is opposite. Skimming like iPhone. Okay. Now, Sagar, one more thing. If a product wants to enter with a high price in the market, that it is a very hotshot product, then how it will enter? There is one more strategy which is known as skimming. Example, iPhone. They have used this strategy. Acha, okay. Thank you for the information, Bharti. Acha, this one, dead weight loss, very easy. We have done this in plus class also. Suboptimal allocation of resources under monopoly to cause social welfare loss. Social welfare loss is known as what? Dead weight loss. Yaad ho gaya? Yes. This we will do one more time in economics. This is a big concept. We will do in economics. I will be teaching you economics. Now, perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic, and oligopoly. Yes, burden on society, right? You have to select which one is right. Quick, 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 quick. When? Economics, when I will take? I think just after accountancy, I will start economics. Option C, correct. Everybody, for everyone, it is easy, okay, perfect competition, homogeneous. With that only, we can give correct answer. Favorite one, take care, favorite one. Monopoly, price discrimination will be there. Monopolistic, product improvement will be there. Then only people will purchase their products. And oligopoly will follow what? Price rigidity. So option C is the answer. This is the chart that you can see in your plus class also. Now, a price ceiling below the equilibrium price often leads to what? आपके एग्जाम के बाद आपके एग्जाम तो शायद होपफुली 6 दिसंबर तक हो जाएंगे. मैम नवंबर में एग्जाम दे रहे हैं तो आपका प्लस क्लास अटेंड करें या न्यू कोर्सेज? इराम जो आप पूछ रहे हैं उसका आंसर सिर्फ एक ही है. आंसर इज एग्जैक्टली सेम. जो आप प्लस क्लास अटेंड करना चाहते हैं वो न्यू कोर्स ही है. अच्छा, आप यू आर आस्किंग वो आप क्या आप वो प्लस क्लास अटेंड करें? यस यस, मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर डूइंग. क्योंकि कैसा है कि अगर आप वो पढ़ाई करना या इफ वो आप रिविजन छोड़ देंगे तो इट विल गो ब्लैंक in exam. So it's better. What is the best time utilization? That you can come, sit in exam, revise whatever thing is updated. You can learn that, you can write it down and you can improve again. Acha, should I go for revision? If you have not done revision courses, definitely you can go for revision courses first, right? And as soon as you finish revision course, still you find कि no, आज तो बहुत बोर हो रहा है. Today I'm not willing to do any recorded revision course. Today I want to attend some live class, or this is an important class, this is a tough class. Then do come in live class in between. Okay, but for your benefit, I would just suggest that first finish all your 20 units revision, which we have taken. At least all 10 units of commerce तो I have taken revision में. ठीक है, तो you can start wherever you are comfortable. Regina, when the session started? It started today, Regina. Plus new courses started today. Commerce started from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and paper 1 started from 3:15 p.m. to 4:45 p.m. Here we have started accountancy and we have done partnership accounts, and tomorrow we will be learning very important concept also in accountancy, and 3:15 we have started teaching aptitude. ठीक है, so if you are not on plus, please take a plus subscription by using my referral code Niharika Live and join soon. Coptic. Now for this question, what's the answer? Answer is C. Yes, Kala Bazari, as you said, black marketing, price ceiling below the equilibrium price often leads to what? Kala Bazari. अब तक आ जानी चाहिए. Yes, Shivani, I can understand. Always confused. Okay. Price ceiling are, see, ceiling means the highest price. Ceiling means what? See, can you see where is, acha wait. Rowdy, Where is your fan? Where is your fan attached? On the ceiling or on the floor? On the ceiling. Acha. So that means in your room, the ceiling is at the top. That means, can I say that it is the maximum limit where we can? Acha. Suppose if we just fly a balloon, right? Okay. So where is the maximum limit where it will touch? The ceiling. Okay, top. Now, minimum is what? Floor, where we can see where you are sitting, where you have kept your chair, right? Okay, so that floor is what? The minimum limit. Now, can we go above maximum limit? No, we cannot go above maximum limit. Can we go below maximum limit? Below minimum limit? No, we cannot go below minimum limit. So price ceiling is that price, it is that highest price above which we cannot go. Right? Okay. Ma'am, question 40 may, when the supplier reduces the price, the tax burden on the consumers will also be there along with the shortage of commodities. See, tax burden. Okay. We are talking just about price ceiling only, right, Anamika? So below the equilibrium price, here. Where is the ceiling? This will be the ceiling. Here you can see tax burden. No, tax burden. I think tax burden will be on this one, on this area. You know, the areas are different. Yes, both are set by government. Okay, so we are not touching this area. We are just touching this area. We just have to consider this triangle. Anamika is asking the concept of deadweight loss. Okay, I don't have. The area is different. That's why option B is not the answer. And see here, who has asked? Rowdy. Rowdy. That means we cannot go above this price. Yes, we cannot go above this price. So if the government has set this price, so the marketers, the suppliers cannot charge above this price. Okay, if the government has charged and the government has said this price, that this is the minimum price you can set, then the marketers cannot supply below this price. Otherwise it will show what? It will show like inappropriate amount, you can say, a price set by regulatory bodies for certain commodities when they believe that they are sold in an unfair market with too low prices, so that they can increase their market share and all. So to avoid that, one floor price is set, that below that price we cannot go. Got it? Okay. You can read this also. It has very simple explanation if you want. Or do we need to discuss more a little bit, Rowdy? Clear है? Okay. ठीक है. वैसे usually you see that in the share market also, these prices, that is price ceiling and price floor, like you can see a share. Suppose a share is going 110 rupees. So for a certain day, it cannot go above 130 and it cannot go below 90. If it will go above 130 or below 90, or you can say below 80 or below 70, suppose this is the floor and this is the ceiling. If it will touch, then it will what it is said, circuit point, है ना? It will touch the circuit point, break the circuit. So to avoid breaking the circuit, price ceiling and floor is set. So in this ceiling and floor, the between range is known as the price band, in which the share moves. Right, in bidding also it is done. So same, I'm talking about bid, ask, share price, price band, which is below two prices. seal above, floor below. Now here, Rowdy, you can see reverse. Why? Because on creating a reverse, here you can see minimum, here you can see maximum, because this is a dead weight loss. Okay. Now I think time is also done. Chalo, one theory question you can do. Business finance we will continue, but yeah, one theory question at least you can do. Political risk management comes in the ambit of which of the following financial decision? Political risk management. This time there were so many questions from economics, isn't it? Many questions. Comparatively in shift 2, business finance questions were less. 41D, yes, multinational capital budgeting, amazing. Now, what about this one? The following information is available for Ravi Corporation. EPS is given, ROI is given, rate of return required by shareholders is given, and what is the price per share of Volta model if the payout ratio is 40%? Payout is 40%. That means you can calculate very easily what is DPS, or you can say DPS. If EPS is given, DPS payout is 40%, that means DPS will be 4 into 40%, that means 1.6. Okay. Now, time lagega. Okay. Should I solve quickly? Right? Acha, return is 18%. So, your KE, that is rate of return required by the shareholders, that means cost to the company, is actually 15%. Right? Okay, so let's solve with the Walters model. What it says DPS. Formula to yaad hi hoga. Like, it is so easy. DPS plus EPS minus DPS. Okay, into R upon KE. So many times we have done that we even remember the formula. Those who do not remember the formula, please do it once again. I have written this, but like I haven't revised this. Okay, and I remember the formula clearly because we have done it so many times. Okay, so DPS is given what? DPS is given what? Wait, 1.6, and EPS is given 4 minus 1.6 here into ROE is 18 upon 15 divided by 15. So you can do this 6 divided by 5. And this one is 2.4 into 6 divided by 5 plus 1.6 divided by 15. Just solve this. You will get your answer. Yes, 29.87. That's the answer. You can solve it. See, point, then 4, then 40. That means 8. 0.48 and into 6. So just do into 6. So that will be, I think I remember the answer also. It is what? 2.88 plus 1.6 divided by 15. Right? No. It is not Gordon. It is specifically written that it is Walter. Okay, so 4.48 just divided by 15 and you will get your answer. Or you can do just multiply by 100. So 445 divided by 15, just do 2 times 30, 1, 4, then 5. So 9 times 135. And I think you already got your answer. Acha, 29 point either 8 or 3. Right? So here you're getting 1, 0. It is 8 times or 3 times? 8 times definitely. It is not coming near to 3. It is coming near to 8. So this is your answer. You have solved it. Okay, great. Gordon when nothing is specified. Okay. Now, sequence. Okay, last question. Sequence the following in the capital budgeting process. What is the correct sequence? B. Amazing. Very good, very good, very good. Answer is B. How come? First is cash flow estimation we will do. That how much cash inflow is there, how much cash outflow is there, cash inflow, cash outflow. After that, we will identify what is the discounting rate at the rate 10%, at the rate 15%, etc. Then we will determine, with the help of that, we will find out PV of CI and PV of CO with the help of discounting factor. Okay, so PV of CI minus PV of CO, we will get what? NPV, and whichever is having highest NPV, that project we will select. Okay, highest NPV will be selected. Okay, so that's it for today. Remaining questions we will be doing afterwards, on probably on Saturday one more time. Okay, we will be meeting on Saturday one more time. 43 questions that we have done. If you want to take Unacademy Plus subscription, don't forget to use my referral code Niharika Live to get 10% discount. My already plus courses are launched, which we have already started. For paper 1, we have started teaching aptitude from today, and for paper 2, we have started accounting and auditing from today. Okay, and these courses I've already launched on Unacademy Plus for the new fresh courses, for the new batches. And if you are an old learner, you can still attend these classes for refreshing all your concepts, because everything which is written on the screen, that is not sufficient for the interpretation. You need explanation also. So to brush up your concept, you can still attend Unacademy Plus classes. And thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Good night. Please click on the like button of this video. And if you are not an Unacademy YouTube session subscriber, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Bye bye. Good night. See you tomorrow at 10 a.m. And please don't forget to come tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. on NTA level test of research aptitude also. Have a nice day.